Welcome to Trade Pro. Here I am in another trade on the small account challenge, this time on the 30-minute time frame, and I'm going to go over why I actually entered this trade. So the first thing I notice is the trend direction, so price is above the 200 EMA, making higher highs and higher lows. And the next thing I found was hidden bullish divergence with the RSI. So we got a higher low, so comparing this low to this low right here, but then a lower low on the RSI at that same time, so that's hidden bullish divergence. I waited for the stochastic to cross up and entered a long position. So stop loss just placed below the swing low and below the 200 EMA, and I'm targeting 2 times my risk. What I'm going to do is move the stop to break even once the price has moved up to this peak right here, as I think there could be a rejection up in this area, and I just want to minimize risk once price has come up there. All right, so we'll see how it plays out. Might just fall down and stop me out right away. All right, so just want to make a little update here. I moved my stop loss to break even, as I said I would do once price reached this high over here. So now we're going to see if this thing plays out or if it stops me at break even. No risk on the table, so this one is looking good. Profit target just got locked in there. That one took quite some time. I entered it on the 30-minute time frame. Can recap that trade. So it was entered down here on the 30-minute chart, and as you can see, it took all day long to play out, but eventually it got there. So the original setup was just based on the RSI and the stochastic hidden divergence strategy. So it was very simple. Just using this right here, we had a higher low on the price, but at the same time, a lower low on the RSI. So hidden divergence going with the trend above the 200 EMA, entered a long position on this candle right here, and just got that profit target hit. So there it is. All right, so here's another entry I took on the small account challenge. This one, I seem to have lost the original clip of me entering the trade, but I still have all the recording from the trade actually playing out till the end. So you'll see my real position in this trade. I'm just going to go over the reasons why I entered it here. So we got the higher low on the price action, but a lower low on the RSI. So we got hidden bullish divergence. Price is above the 200 EMA on the 15-minute time frame. And I had the stochastic cross up, so the entry was right in this region here, and that's the reason I entered it. So I'm going to play the rest of the trade on fast forward, and then we'll recap it at the end. All right, so obviously this one hit the stop loss way up here, and I mean, it's on to the next setup. You cannot win them all. You just got to take losses sometimes and keep trading the same system. So I'm assuming that with this huge push down, you're going to start seeing some higher time frame hidden bullish divergence. Just about there. Well, we'll see how it plays out. Look for another setup here. Yeah, below the 200 on the 30 now, so can't look there. But yeah, we'll see if there's any potential setup. Looks like not at the moment. But yeah, anyway, that is the loss and the first one in a while. All right, so let's go over the gain on the small account challenge so far. So at the moment, there have been 9 trades taken in the first just over 2 weeks, and 7 of them were winners. One of those 7 was a trade where it hit just the first take profit target, then got stopped out at break even with the rest. And then there's been 2 outright losses. That gives us a 77.7% win rate so far, which is phenomenal. I don't think it's going to stay that high considering the strategies I'm using. And let's go over the actual 10.3% gain on the small account challenge in those trades. So starting balance is right here. Current balance is right here. You just take the current and subtract the starting balance, which gives us this figure, which is the gain on the account in Bitcoin value. You then divide that by the starting balance, and it gives us that percentage gain on the account, 10.3% gain on the account. So yeah, really good so far. We'll see how it continues to play out. I don't think it's going to stay quite this good. I've barely been putting any time in it. So just 2 weeks, just a little over 2 weeks with 10.3% is really phenomenal. And I don't think you should expect these types of returns, especially barely trading or spending any time on the account. But yeah, that wraps things up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep seeing the small account challenge and other videos. Like the video and comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Appreciate you guys. Have a nice day.